I asked my big brother, who is always exploring the land that lies just ahead for me because of our difference in age, I asked how he knew that he'd found his partner, his best friend for the rest of his life in Mehek. And he said that being with Mehek felt just like being home.
I believe that you'll take amazing care of my sister for the rest of her life and will be a phenomenal husband. And Mehek, it makes me happy to see how happy he makes you. You've guided me since I was little and took me under your shoulder as your prodigy. So from firsthand experience, Neil, I can attest that Mehek will groom you to become the ultimate weapon.
So happy for you that you have found your best friend and your husband. Neil, we're so glad to have you as a part of our family. And it's been so great to see how warmly your family has welcomed my sister and our whole family into yours. And we really hope that you feel the warmth from us as well.
So in the words of Dr. Tom O'Donnell, to Neil and Mehek, may God keep you, may God bless you, and may you enjoy many happy moments. Thank you very much.